Q services, Q washers, eBay and YouTube. What we're looking at here, we're looking at the two hose reels. We've got the red one and we've got the black one. These are the ones that we sell in the marketplace a lot of, obviously the domestic more type on that side. I'm going to explain the difference between it. Now, on this one, what you've got is, if we look at the system itself, we'll see this fitting. That fitting goes to the pressure washer, so it's fixed to a high pressure hose that goes to the machine. When using, we then have this clip here. We also then screw into this part. Now that part there, what tends to happen is it comes through, it's clipped in place. But what's happening is you're pulling all the time. As you're using this hose reel, you've got your full hose out and you're trying to pull against the swivel. So this swivel then starts to wear very quickly compared to the red type of swivel. Let's show and explain again. So on this one, on the red type of hose reel, what happens is you've got your pressure washer. You've then got the hose that goes from the pressure washer to the hose reel. So that swivel is never touched really. Only thing it does is go round because that is fixed. It's not under the same stress and strain. This high pressure hose that goes to the gun is connected at this point here. So it comes in and goes through at this point. So you're not pulling. This is solid. All this lot is all fixed. It's a solid setup. You're not pulling and working against the swivel like you are on the black type of hose reels. That's why these are a lot more expensive. This swivel, after a period of time, you can change the O-rings a few times, then try and sort the swivel out, but you end up having to replace the hose reel because the swivel inside is still leaking. On this one, the swivel just unscrews off. You change it over if you ever need to. Job done. The hose reel kept all in place it would do normally. Minimal cost to replace. Where this one, it's a hose reel sometimes. I recommend, obviously, a lot of customers that are using the bigger type of these, that they just use it as a holder. They don't use it as a hose reel with water running through it. They just use it to put the hose on the convenient thing. It means, especially if you've got it on your machine, there's no water going to start spilling all over the machine when the leak starts to appear on the O-rings at this point. Like I say, don't get me wrong, when you're working with little domestic machines and stuff like that, absolutely fine, no problem at all. If you're using it all the time, every day, you want to be looking at the red hose reels for the industrial jobs. Thank you very much. Q Services, Q Washers, eBay and YouTube.